Hey beauties, welcome and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to be making a very powerful remedy, and it is also very simple to make. And our first ingredient is bay leaf. Bay leaf is a spice used in cooking, but apart from using bay leaf to cook, it also has a lot of benefits for our hair. Bay leaf work wonderfully well to tackle dandruff and itchy scalp. Bay leaf is rich in vitamin B, which is known to improve the overall health of the hair, but most importantly, bay leaf help to promote hair growth. They help with hair thickness. Like if you want to grow a very thick hair, then you should include bay leaf in your hair recipe. Bay leaf also help to prevent hair loss, which is a problem that many of us face, and it also helps to prevent premature growing. So guys, if you're suffering from premature growing, you're suffering from hair loss, you're suffering from itchy scalp and dandruff, or your hair is not growing, then you should include bay leaf in your DIY treatment. And our second ingredient is cloves. I've talked about the benefits of cloves on this channel, so I'm not going to bore you with it because I know a lot of us are already familiar with it. Our last ingredient is hibiscus. Hibiscus is loaded with vitamin C, flavonoids, amino acids, and other great nutrients which help to stop hair loss and also prevent alopecia. Hibiscus also help to nourish the hair, promote healthy hair growth, and also provide a soft and silky texture. So those are the three ingredients we are going to be using today to make this powerful remedy. I went ahead to add hot water, and I'm going to let this infuse overnight so we can get all the benefits from the three ingredients we are using. If you've watched to this point and you're not subscribed to the channel, please kindly click on the red subscribe button and make sure to turn on your post notifications so you'll be notified when I post a new video, and kindly give this video a thumbs up so YouTube can recommend this video to other viewers. Thank you. So guys, this is what we have the next day. You can clearly see the mixture is looking more concentrated now, so I'm just going to strain it to get rid of the particles. At this point, I added my hair oils, and I'm using my hair growth oil and also tea tree oil. You can use any oil of your choice. And after this, I'm going to transfer it into my applicator bottle and go ahead to show you guys how to use it. Please don't go away because I'm going to be giving you some information at the end of this video. Kindly watch the video to the end and don't forget to like this video. So guys, over here I'm applying it on my cornrow. As you can see, this is my protective style for the week, and I'm not going to be washing out this treatment, so you can totally use it on your protective style because it is not supposed to be washed out. And if you're worried about the stand of hibiscus, you can reduce the amount of hibiscus you use in this spray, so that way it doesn't leave your spray too dark, and it's just going to be perfect. And like I stated earlier, if you're experiencing premature growing, then you should really use this spray because it contains ingredients that will tackle premature growing. This spray is going to naturally darken your hair if you use it over time, and it is very easy to make from the comfort of your home. You just need to get these 3 ingredients and make this spray. Use it 3 times and you're going to see great results, guys. I really hope this video is helpful to you. Don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section and kindly watch this video to the end so you can see what I am going to do after applying my spray. So after applying my spray, I went ahead to oil my scalp and just kind of massage my scalp to promote blood circulation. And over here, I'm tucking in my ends because this is one trick that has really helped me recently to retain length, guys. If you're trying to retain length, please always ensure you protect your ends. Okay, guys, see you in my next. Bye.